Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to add background image on HTML element. To add background image on a HTML element, we use HTML style attribute and CSS background image property. Let's say we want the entire page to have a background image, we must specify the background image on the body element. So we will write style attribute and background image property. Inside the colon we have to write the name of image. Here I have an image with name BG and I want this to set on background of my web page. Its image type is JPG. So, I will write bg.jpg. BG is the name of image and JPG is the file type. Here image size, exactly fixed to the body element and fill the entire screen. But sometimes, if the image size goes smaller than the element, the image repeat itself, vertically or horizontally, until it reaches the end of element. Let's say now I want this image to set on my background that is of smaller dimensions. Let's change the name of the image. See, it will repeat this way. In such cases, we go with some more properties of CSS, like background repeat. To avoid the background image from repeating itself, set the background repeat property to no repeat. Let's see how it works. It displays the image for once on the element. Now to bring it to the entire screen or element, we will use background size property and set it to the cover. The image is now on the entire screen. Now to make sure the entire element is always covered, set the background attached property to fixed, so that the image will keep its original proportion. If your image size matches the element dimensions, you only have to write this code. Otherwise use these properties of CSS. Guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to Code Bandage. Thanks for watching.